In 2021, I was with my group of students and I asked them the same question. Is Facebook advertisement worth it? How do you run a profitable Facebook advertisement with your smartphone? Now, before we talk about how these things work, I want to first of all explain what is Facebook advertisement. Now, Facebook advertisement is a paid advertisement that enables a person, a business, or an entrepreneur to run an ad on Facebook by creating a slot for them to be able to showcase their product to the users on Facebook. All right, that is Facebook advertisement. So you have the opportunity to show your products and your services to users on Facebook. The truth of the matter is, selling on WhatsApp is great, is good, but you can also leverage on Facebook, because one thing about sales is that the more the population, the more sales you make, the more people who can see your product or your services, the more tendency you have to sell. But if you don't show your product or your services to a lot of people, trust me, you can't sell much. All right, so and that is the reason why Facebook advertisement is very, very good, and you can actually run Facebook ad with your smartphone, so you don't need a system to be able to do that, or you do not necessarily need an agency to help you to run these advertisements. You can do it yourself, and that is why I am here today to teach you, most especially for small scale businesses. All right, so some of the things we're going to be looking at today is the importance of Facebook advertisement. Why is Facebook ad important? Number one reason why you should leverage on Facebook advertisements is that every business needs people. All right, this has to do with customers and other businesses. So as a business person, you need people to buy your products or your services, and this could be from individual customers or from other businesses that see what you do, and then they know that taking your service will help them grow and all of that. So now the major goal of you running Facebook ad is for you to make money, and you cannot make money without you being able to sell. All right, and you cannot sell if a lot of people do not see your product or your services. All right, all you just have to do is ensure that your product or your service is of good quality. All right, is of good quality, and if you should have that, then you do not have problem selling on Facebook. There are other reasons. So number two reason why Facebook advertisement is important is because Facebook is the most popular social media platform. Facebook is the most popular social media platform. All right, the likes of YouTube is big as well, Google is big, but when it comes to social media platform, TikTok is trending. All right, and I will tell you later on why Facebook is more better than TikTok and the rest. All right, as for you as a small scale business, and even the large scale business brands, they do this on Facebook as well. All right, so Facebook is the most popular social media platform. It's like in Nigeria, it's like the MTN. Let me use that word. Most Nigerians, when they are starting out using any of this telecommunication, they start with MTN, and I don't know why. Probably it's because it is everywhere you go and people talk about MTN a lot. So that is how Facebook is. A lot of people, first of all, open Facebook accounts while they secondary school and all of that, and some still use their Facebook account today, and so therefore there are a lot of people on Facebook. And yeah, I don't just want you to take my word for it. You can Google it on your phone and check the number of active users on Facebook daily, and you see what you will find. All right, so currently there are over 2 billion daily active users on Facebook. 2 billion. Now you do your math. All right, if you have to take 0.01%, imagine what you'll be making. Do your math. All right, so that is the second reason. Now number three reason why Facebook advertisement is important is that with Facebook ad you can reach millions of people who are interested in what your business have to offer. Yeah, this is not people who just do what you do, people who can actually buy what you sell. All right, and that is where when it comes to Facebook advertisement, when we start the practical aspect, you'll be able to learn how to narrow down. It is called detailed targeting. You'll be able to target your particular audience or customers. We use the word prospects that will buy what you are offering. All right, and then the next thing is that Facebook ad is easy, and this is where I told you that I'm going to talk about TikTok and the rest. Now Facebook ad is easy. It is easier than TikTok. All right, so you can be able to run Facebook ad. Anybody can start up Facebook ad and run their ads on Facebook. So it is easy, it is cheap, it is widely accessible, and it brings super fast results. Unlike YouTube is expensive, Google ad is expensive, TikTok is a bit expensive, and it's not that easy for anybody to just do and all of that. But Facebook ad is easy, and you can also synchronize your Facebook ad to your Instagram ad, because these two platforms are owned by Mark Zuckerberg. All right, so you can be able to synchronize both of them and sell on Instagram as well as selling on Facebook at the same time. All right, so this is what you can do with Facebook advertisement. It is easy, so and it gives super fast results. You start seeing your result right from the moment you run your ad. And the truth of the matter about Facebook ad is that the company does not charge you, not until they've given you results. And then the last reason why Facebook ad is important is that mastering this digital skill, because it's a digital skill, all right, called Facebook ad, can do a lot for you as a business owner, marketer, or individual who want to learn a high profitable skill. All right, so if you are a small scale business, all right, or you are an entrepreneur, which is almost the same thing, rather, so you can actually leverage on Facebook for your products and your services and be able to make money. And also, if you do not own any business but you're a marketer, what you could do, you can run ad for other businesses altogether, all your friends, and get a commission from what they have to sell. And that is where affiliate marketing comes in. All right, so you can leverage on this and get the best out of it. And also, if you're an individual, this is a skill you should learn, and the skill is important because a lot of businesses today, like I will always say, there are two aspects of every business. You have innovation and marketing. All right, so every organization, every business thrive on these two premises. All right, innovation and marketing. So if you do not find yourself in any of this, if you are not innovative and you are not a marketer, it's going to be hard. You are the kind of people that lay down, all right, because you do not generate money for the organization, even though you do some of the operational stuff and all that. But if you do not generate money for them, they can easily drop you off. So it is a high skill you should learn, and you should learn it fast. All right, so these are the importance of Facebook advertisement and how you should leverage on it. There are a lot other importance, reaching people and all of that, but I'm not going into that. I'm just giving you the core importance of Facebook ad that are very, very important and you should know. All right, so the other things you should know about Facebook advertisement using your smartphone, I'll quickly rush through that because I do not want this video to be very long, so that you can consume it easily and be able to learn all that there is about it. So things you need for mobile Facebook advertisement: number one, you need a Facebook account. So you need to create a Facebook account. Just go to https://facebook.com/sign up. You can easily sign up to Facebook and create your account. And then another thing is you need a Facebook business page. All right, so if you're a small scale business and you don't have a Facebook business page, I have a video already on that. Just look up that video, go watch that video on how you can create a Facebook business page. Now if you try to create it normally, like as old times, you may encounter some issues, and I've addressed those issues on this Facebook business page creation. All right, you can bypass all of that and create your Facebook account. So another thing you need is Facebook ad account. Now automatically, if you have a Facebook account, you automatically have a Facebook ad account. All right, you automatically have a Facebook ad account to your business, so you can be able to run your ad. So these are the basic things you need. Now apart from these, there are other vital things you need to be able to run a profitable mobile Facebook advertisement. And even if you want to run it as using the system and all of that, and it can profit you, because you can actually run this Facebook ad for other businesses and other people put together and be able to make your money, all right, as an advertiser. You get me now? So now, other requirements: you need a marketing strategy or goal. Now, when you're running a Facebook ad, you don't just run it just for running sake. You need to have your goal. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking for leads? Are you looking for page likes? Are you looking for page engagement? People just engage with your page. Are you looking for traffic to send to your website, to send to your Instagram account, to send to your WhatsApp and all the likes, or do you want sales? Now, every one of these processes are very paramount to what you will achieve when you run your Facebook ad, and that is why you need to carefully choose your marketing strategy or your goal in order to be able to achieve that. Now, in the marketing strategy, there are other things you need which are very, very important. All right, your communication style and all of that, those you should keep in place. Your offers and all the rest, you should have prepared those things ahead of time before you start your Facebook advertisement, so that when people start coming in, if it is on your website and all of that, you can know how to address that. Okay, so the next one is you need your conversion destination. Now, where are you sending them to? You sending them to a website, to WhatsApp, to Instagram, to a Facebook Messenger, or are you sending them to an app? So you need to know your destination. It's very, very important. All right, are you sending them to YouTube to watch a video and all of that? You need to know your destination. Then the next one is ad creatives. Now, your ad creatives are to do it. Forget the big word. It's not the big word. Now, ad creatives has to do with your videos. If you're using a video to market, or you're using an image to market, your copies, which is copywriting, what you know that what you can write about the product or the services you are offering, and your offers, your call to action, your results, and how you got to where you've gotten to, and how best the product works and all of that. You need to state all of that on your ad creatives. All right, so your video or your graphic design, your copies and all of that. All right, you need all these things to be in place. Then finally, you need a financial resource or financial commitment. All right, now, like I said earlier, I said Facebook advertisement is a paid advertisement. It is not free. All right, there are other kinds of advertisement. You have the own advertisement where you own the audience, like email marketing. For your financial commitment, like I said, Facebook advertisement is paid, so you need to make some financial commitment in order to do this. Now, the question is, how much can you, or how much will you be able to use? Now, it depends on the product you're selling altogether, and then it also depends on the days you want your particular ad to run, and then it also depends on your financial budget. Can you budget 100k? It all depends on you. Now, I'm not saying you should use 100k to run it, because you're a small scale business and you probably do not have such amount of money to run ad. Now, what can you do? What you can do is that you can dedicate at least from 20k or 15k, 20k upward to your advertisement. Now, this is so that it could run for a specific day, let's say like 3 days, 4 days and all of that. All right, so as little as that, you can use it to run your mobile Facebook advertisement and all of that and get results. All right, so these are the requirements you need for Facebook ads. So with all of this said, we'll be heading to the theoretical aspect where I will show you how you can actually successfully run your Facebook ad using your mobile phone. All right, so let's go right there.